Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your phone application, then go to the contacts section, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo, then you have an option to take photo or just to select photo from the gallery, as I'm going to do. And you can crop picture here, set up if you like you want to, how you want it to look, like this or just like. Then tap here and then tap save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.